So what you can also do using ChatGPT is generate out a cover letter. Let's say, for example, you can see something like, I am applying for a job in, let's say, for example, Green Space right here, just like this, Green Space Limited, as a graphics designer, just like this. I have 10 years of work experience and am familiar with major graphics designing tools, major graphic designing tools like Adobe Creative Cloud, related graphics design apps, Corel Draw, and even web apps such as Canva and Pixlr right here, just like this. So now I'm going to say, now write a cover letter for me to apply to this company right here, just like this. So now once I go around and give this prompt, so I gave a bit of a detail on what I am right here, and I'm now saying, now write a cover letter for me to apply to this company. So once I go around and send this message, now what happens is that it generates out a cover letter for me, as you can see right here. So now it is prompting me to actually add in what some information that I need to give, like my name, my address, my city, state and zip code, my email address, my phone number and date. And then it is telling me to add in the recipient name, hiring manager, and then giving me the company details as well. So now it generated this. So I'm writing to express my interest in the graphic designer position at Greenspace Limited as advertised, with over a decade of experience in the field of graphic design and a versatile skill set that introduces proficiency in Adobe Creative Cloud, Corel Draw, as well as web-based applications like Canva and Pixlr. I'm confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. During my career, I had privilege. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And then it generated out a cover letter for me. So this is how you can utilize ChatGPT to generate cover letter for yourself. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.